Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up a custom links to use on Discord. To do this, it's really easy. You have to just go to your user setting. Once you're here, you have to go to activity settings and go to register games. Now as you can see here, no game detected, and if you want to add your own something here, now just go and click on edit, and let's say that I will just write here something normal. Let's say I will just write here TV, right? Or let's say I will just write here calculator, right? And as you can see here, by the way, once you add a name here, right, of let's say this name here, and make sure you just go and click on enter, right? If in your case, if it's not showing something here added, if you're not able to add it, then just open a normal application here. Let's say that in my case I will just open a normal calculator, right? And here, once I go here, I can just select a calculator here and just go and click on add game. Now here you can just edit it. For example, I will just write here, let's say I'm just adding just fictional TV, right? Exactly, it's not TV actually. In reality it's just a calculator. So let me show here, toggle off, and it's open. And once I close it here, as you can see here, that calculator is on, right? And this is how you can do it. You can just rename it, and it's really simple. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.